Ling, watch it.
At sunrise, you wore your gear each day, working hard in every way. A builder, a teacher, a friend so true. In all you did, your love shone through. Sometimes a driver, steering life's road. A farmer planting seeds you sow. A protector, firm but kind. Your guidance shaped our hearts and minds. You came home tired, but still you smiled. Your care lingered, even for a while. We saw your strengths, we felt your care. In your sacrifice, love was always there. Now you've left work for a higher call, to serve the Lord, the King of all. A pastor now, you lead with grace, helping souls seek God's embrace. Dad, we honor the man you are. You've guided us near and far. In all your roles, you gave your best. A father, a servant, truly blessed. From daily toil to serving above, you've shown us strength, faith, and love. For all you are and all you do, we are so proud of you.
Maray na aldaw sa Indogabos. Gusto kong punan ang sakuyang mensahe para sa sakuyang tugang. Para sabihon kung gaano ako ka-proud sa imo ngunyan sa bago mong journey as a pastor. His new journey will be challenging, pero aram ko with your faith and heart for others, matatagumpayan mo ining bago mong journey. Ang pag-retire, daiman yan ibig sabihin the end. Ibig sabihin lang kayan beginning of a new adventure. We'll all here to support you. Laban lang, I'm sure we will be the most fulfilling chapter of your life. Happy New Year sa Indogabos. Salamat.